Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so we can reach more people. Today, we'll be touching bases on GNUS brands. That ticker symbol GNUS. We been put y'all on this stock. We covered bases on this stock a while ago. We did been told y'all it was a good buy. We always tell y'all to wait for a nice pullback, a nice dip. The market had a correction, and during the correction, we seen a nice pullback in GNUS, and that was a great opportunity to get in on a dip buy. We had pulled back around March 5th, March 3rd. We pulled all the way back to 157, and you see we bounced nicely. We didn't stay at 157 long. As soon as we hit it, we bounced straight off 157, almost touching back to 2. We hit 194, came back down to 197, and now we trading at, we came through and broke that resistance at 194. Now we trading at about $2.20, back in a nice bullish momentum uptrend. So what to expect now that GNUS is back up and running? But of course, it would have never felt like that. It's been destined to go ahead and take off, but the whole market had a pullback, a correction. We were well aware there's multiple stocks that fell back. Only a hand, I can count on one hand how many stocks that held its gains or risen during that fall. So let's see. At 220, like we got a nice resistance. Let's go to the chart. Look at the chart. At 224, we got a nice resistance around $2.24, $2.25. As soon as we break that 224, we can shoot off straight and retest that 306 at what we reached on January 27th. As soon as we break $3.25, we can shoot straight up towards $3 and retest that 306. Once we get through that 306, that'll be our next resistance. Once we get through there, we'll go to 345 and retest that. See how we'll probably form a new support around 345 right before we shoot off and test this June 15th, where we had a resistance point at right around $4.50. $4.50. That'll be our last stepping stone before we can go and retest our all-time high of 2020, June the 3rd, of $7.93. That'll be our last stepping stone once we bust through 450. And you know, once we reach $5, this thing can easily double from there, because that's when Wall Street and the big guys, they'll start getting in on this. So I just want to give y'all a quick update on GNUS and let y'all know we still on GNUS brands, we still bullish. And if we any pullbacks, and if it's anybody new that want to get on GNUS brands, you might think you late to the party or whatnot, I give y'all some buy points, a nice buy zone if you want to get in on this, because it's a good play for a little medium term, long termish. Or it could be a quick play. It could go from $2 to $3 quick, and you can make quick money and get out and be done. So if you want to get in on this, a good point to get in on this would be around the $2 range. I say $1.99, really $1.90, around $1.90, $1.95, $1.90ish. That'd be a good buy zone. And you start chipping in from there. And if it pulled all the way back to around 185, I get a little more shares. And the only way you get out of this on the downfall, if it's falling on you, is if it cracked below. If this thing cracked below $1.75, you exit, and we'll do an update and we'll touch bases on it. But we shouldn't see that. We should see a nice upward momentum from here. And so you get in around them levels, and you can get out. You can get out at $3 if you're comfortable with those profits, or you can get out at $5. And if you're more of a long termer and want to hold it long term because you like the company a lot, you can hold this all the way up to 10. So that's all I got for y'all this video. You already know your boy this close to getting monetized, so y'all already know what to do. Look out for your boy, run that playlist, and we out. Love y'all. God bless.